This is you took this to the show today?
Well, I had a whole bunch of stuff to do with it.
Okay.
So I kept this one here. Well, I just took it out.
SST.
Yeah, that's just like Gremlin X was the package.
Okay.
The SST was the package, trim package.
The package and a half.
More or less, yeah. It's this is nice.
Yeah.
Really runs good.
Okay.
So, anyways, yeah, this is
This is your toy.
well one of them. Yeah.
Yep.
My accountant said to me one day, he says, "You gotta go spend your money. You're a car guy. Go buy a
Go spend your money.
yeah. He said, otherwise, tax man's gonna get it. So go buy something like that."
There you go.
So anyways, there's Gremlin number 1, there's Gremlin number 2, and in my collection, the AMX. This is my,
I'd like to take a look at them all if you don't mind.
oh, by all means. This is my barn find.
Okay, that's your burn find, isn't it?
Yeah, that's the reason I kind of put that one on hold.
Okay.
I always wanted one of these.
Yes.
So all of a sudden, there's one of them. So what do? You get it. You don't screw around, you just go get it.
Yeah, there you go.
So I got it. It was in really good shape.
Yes.
It had been sitting there for 25 years.
Wow.
So the motor was sitting out on the bench, the transmission was in the house. The rad was in the solarium where the birds were.
Okay.
And come to find out, it was full of sunflower seeds. So she overheated on me without, like, what the hell's going on? So anyways, I found out it was full of sunflower seeds. So that's a 390.
Yes.
This is my hot rod.
Hot rod.
Yeah, this is my little other hot rod baby. So this guy has a 390 in it. With a 5-speed.
Okay.
Because I had a 4-speed in it, and going down the road at 60 miles an hour, the engine's just racing.
Yes.
So I said, well, I can do something. I'll put a 5-speed in it. And put the 5-speed in it, problem solved.
And a 390 in it.
And a 390.
It must work good.
Yeah, she can smoke out the intersections.
What year is this one?
This is a 74.
Okay.
That's a 76. And the AMX and the Javelin are 68. I'm trying to think that maybe that might help a bit. There we go. So this is my sort of collection of things.
Yes.
And I've also got a 1942 Harley.
Am I allowed to shut the door?
Oh, yeah.
Does this door shut well? That means, well, I'm here. I'm here.
Like I say, I started working on this one, so I got
Yeah.
the body done. Replaced the floor. I'm not really good at welder myself, so it looks pretty crude under there, but it's functional.
A few little tiny things. Let's face it. Good and dry though.
Yep.
Good and dry. I'll give you that. It's good and dry.
So I got a bunch of spare parts in the back there. And,
A head rocker's put on it.
yeah. Well, the whole body's upper top was being done.
Yeah.
Door panels, the seats. The seats are actually out of a Jeep.
Okay.
Okay, because the seats that came with it were toast. You couldn't do nothing with them. So I said, I got an idea. So
You've got your jean in there, your jeans.
blue jeans, yeah.
No.
Yeah. The only thing we couldn't do, because we didn't have one, was the little red tag for Levi's,
Yes.
because we were supposed to have those.
Okay. Geez, I could have lent you a pair of jeans.
Rather standard. put it in the body, get the body job done. Put the motor